Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we're going to be showing you how to make Wahl sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well, welcome back. I appreciate you joining us from whatever platform you are subscribing from. Make sure you go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Like I said, we're going to be making Wahl sauce, so let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. We got 1 cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, 1 tablespoon of sweet relish, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and a little bit of salt and pepper along the way. Let's start mixing it up. Alright, start with our mayo. You want a bowl big enough for all these ingredients. You have a little bit more than a cup here. Ketchup, relish, mustard, Worcestershire, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and the salt and pepper. We're just going to mix this up really well. There we go. That is our Wahl sauce. Let's get some tater tots. Got some tater tots as you saw in the picture. Let's see what it tastes like. That sauce sticks really good to the tater tot. You can see there as well. Very good. Creaminess of the mayo, the acidity of the tomato, mustard cuts through there, the relish gives it a whole new level with that sweetness and the pickle. You can taste the onion powder and the garlic. Paprika gives it a little bite. Definitely be good on a burger. Really good on those French fries or these tater tots. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you being here. Don't forget that recipe is in the description box down below or in the first pinned comment. Thanks a lot for watching. We will see you again real soon.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.